Salubonani njalo, namhlanje siyaqhubeka with our fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions. You'll notice that the principles are the same whether you're adding or you're subtracting. So when you are adding, you must make sure, let's say we are given 1/4 plus 2/4. If the denominators, denominator fanana, in this case 4, then we simply add a numerator. In our case, 1/4 plus 2/4, the denominator 4. So the answer is available denominator 4. Then says plus a numerator is 3/4. Then elandelayo 5/4, that's an improper fraction, plus 5/3. Ama-denominator akafanani, so you can't then say uza-add ama-denominator add ama-numerator. Ama-denominator yokumele afanani. And then isikhumbuzo, lowest common multiple esayenza at junior school. So if ama-denominator engafanani, look for lowest common multiple eyama-denominator lawo esiwa-addayo. So in our case, ama-denominator 4 lo 3. I-lowest common multiple ka-4 lo 3 ngu-12. So we now need to express those two fractions in the form of a fraction that has got a denominator of 12. 5/4, we simply divide the original denominator into the lowest common multiple and then multiply it by the what? The numerator. So 5/4, say at 4 into 12, 3. 3 times 5, we get 15. 5/3, say at 3 into 12, we get 4. Then 4 times in numerator 5, we get to 20. So our fractions at 5/4 ulingana lo 15/12, 5/3 ulingana lo 20/12. Then you can go ahead u-add ama numerator since ama denominator sefanana uzathola u-35/12. U-35/12 improper fraction. Nama answers ethu kumele siwanike ebe ngama mixed number. Convert that improper fraction into a mixed number uzathola u-2 and 11/12. Masiyeni ku example 1. 1/3 plus 2/5. Ama denominator kawafani. So kuzamele sithole lowest common multiple eka 3 lo 5. And the lowest common multiple ka 3 lo 5 ngu-15. So it means we are now expressing those two fractions as a fraction that has got a denominator of 15. So this is at 3 into 15, we get 5. 5 times 1, we get 5. It becomes 1/3 over 5/15. 2/5, so at 5 into 15, we get 3. 3 times 2, we get 6. Iba 6/15. Then sesingaya phambili sithi add ama numerator. 6 plus 5 ngu-11. So the answer iba ngu-11/15. I-example elandelayo sathola ukuthi siphiwe i-mixed number. Kumele siqale siyitshintshe ibe yi-improper fraction. Then we apply the same principles ebesizisebenzisa ku-example 1. So 2.5 iba ngu-5/2 if we convert it to improper fraction. So sizaba lo 5/2 plus 5/2. Then ama-denominator ayafanana ngo-2. Then we simply add ama-numerator. 5 plus 5 is 10/2. But u-10/2 ngeke siyichinje njalo. Kuyamele siyi-simplify. 10/2 is simplified. Now we have a subtraction in this case. 2.5 minus 3/2. Same principles, same procedure. U-2.5 masimchinje abe yi-improper fraction. From the previous example, sithole ukuthi ngu-5/2. So sesilo 5/2 minus 3/2. Ama-denominator ayafana ngo-2. So our answer will be 5 minus 3, siyathola u-2. I-denominator is the same, so i-answer iba ngu-2/2. La u-2/2 kumele simplify. U-2/2 ngu-1. I-example elandelayo soze ngiyiqede, uzayiqedelela wena wedwa. 1 and 1/3 minus half. 1 and 1/3 asimtshintshe abe improper fraction angabe mixed number. Siyathola u-4/3 minus half. Then so kumele utshintshe kube yi-common denominator lapho u-3 lo 2, then you do the rest.